Over the years, so many people told me that they would love to make clothes. If you enjoy the feel of cloth and shaping things between your fingers with your hands, then you are definitely in the right place. Making clothes is not rocket science, but it does require some patience and application. I'm Brahm, and I am a fully qualified textile and fashion designer. I hold a university-accredited PhD in the field of textiles and fashion. The first course on this website is titled Learn to Sew and Make Clothes. It consists of 12 modules that will help you to acquire the skills that you need in order to make patterns and clothes that will fit the specific shape of any body that you decide to dress. In the fashion industry, this process is referred to as made to measure. I carefully synthesized the design and the content of this online course from experience gained over many years in the fashion industry. Over a period of several decades, I have now worked as a product developer and designer and a lecturer for a major university and accredited tertiary training centers, and have assisted many students to equip themselves with the skills that are required in order to function successfully within the fashion industry. I also assisted many adult professionals in other fields to acquire the skill as a very enjoyable hobby, where they now find the pleasure in crafting garments for themselves, for their families, for their friends, and even clients. Module number 1 of the course, directly below, is an introduction to an understanding of the basics. I created this website and online course for your benefit so that you can learn to sew and make clothes. This course takes you from an absolute novice to the place where you know how to operate the equipment, how to make patterns and garments for any person that you choose to dress in any garment of your own choice. I provided you with an action button directly below tutorial number 1, Understanding the Basics. This action button will take you to a landing page where you may download the full schedule for all 12 tutorials. The schedule explains what you will learn in each separate tutorial.